गाँव गाँव में एसजी चलाएंगे हम, 10 महिला एकजुट हो जाएंगे हम।
नमस्कार, मैं संगीता सरकार। आइए मैं दिखाती हूँ कि हमारा सूप किस तरह से बनते हैं। पहले हम ये लाई NaOH वे कर रहे हैं, पानी डाल रहे हैं। अब मैं इसमें कोकोनट ऑयल मिक्स कर रही हूँ। अभी हम लोग कोकोनट ऑयल मिक्स कर रहे हैं। आरो का ऑलिव ऑयल डाल रहे हैं। ये हमारा बेस ऑयल है। इसमें हम लोग बेस ऑयल और पानी में मिला के रखे थे, उसको मिक्स करेंगे।
So Neve Herbal Handmade Soaps was registered as a separate entity in April 2007. We basically took a very small loan from Khadi to start this business. Our main interest was to register it under Khadi and use the Khadi outlets for the marketing of our soaps. We weren't sure about the soap, we weren't sure about the product, and we thought that we should take a very small loan and start this thing off first. It so happened that once we started off, we got a lot of good response from our customers, and we started working on this model of social entrepreneurship. So basically, social entrepreneurship is different from the regular or conventional entrepreneurship in the sense that it talks about a triple bottom line. Whereas entrepreneurship talks of only one P as its bottom line, that is profit, a social entrepreneurship organization talks about a triple bottom line of people, planet, and profit. So our aim in this enterprise is not just earning profit, but to also see that we are causing socio-economic empowerment of people, that there is an equitable distribution of profits that come from the business, that people are empowered to carry on with their livelihood even without our assistance. And we also decided, when we talk about the second P, that is planet, we have taken some stances which are non-negotiable, even if it hurts, it seemingly hurts our business interests. So our soaps do not have any kind of chemicals, right from fragrance to oils that are used in it. There are no chemical colors also, which makes our soaps look very plain. And several of the customers have told that you add colors, but because we don't have any natural colors which will stay over a period of time, we decided to go without colors. Even in fragrances, our fragrances, if we add a chemical fixative in the soap, the fragrances are going to stay longer in our soap, and we would have to use less amount of fragrance oil. But we decided that we will not even put a chemical fixative. Our soaps are scented absolutely from herbal essential oils.
मेरा नाम गीता सांडिल है। मैं पहले तो नहीं करती थी, अभी जब से यूनिट में ज्वाइन करके मेरा आधा मतलब यह हेल्प कर देते हैं हस्बैंड का। पहले हस्बैंड देते ना, अपना ज़रूरत का सामान बहुत कम ही लेता है। अभी जो भी ज़रूरत होता है घर में कुछ भी ज़रूरत का चीज़ हम अपना पैसे से साथ देते हैं।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मीनू है और मैं सोप में 3 साल से काम कर रही हूँ और मेरा अभी पोस्ट है मैनेजर का। ठीक है, मैं सोप में प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर हूँ। शुरू में हम घर का काम करते थे, लेकिन अभी फिर नीब का पता चला तो नीब से जुड़े और उससे काम करके हमको बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।
This is Neem Tulsi, and again available in 3 sizes, 100 grams, 75 grams and 25 grams. This Neem Tulsi, I would like to say, equal the sales of this product only equals the sales of all other products, because we have got many repeat customers for this product. It has proved beneficial for many people having acne, pimples, skin irritations. Some people have told that even the medications and medicated soaps haven't helped them so much as this Neem Tulsi. I believe that it is so because we use crude neem oil, which is not heated at all, and so the pure the qualities of the neem oil, the natural benefits of the neem oil are retained. This is our new unit which is under construction. This room will be used for training as well as production. Next soap in line is Patchouli. Patchouli is actually a Malaysian flower. It can grow in India, but it's a little difficult to grow, and it is a very musky kind of fragrance, supposed to be a natural aphrodisiac. And this has also got cedar wood and lavender and patchouli oil and lang lang oil. All these oils are supposed to be antibacterial, and the smell is retained for a very long time. So I guess the patchouli fragrance is like beer. As it grows old, it becomes stronger and better.
এটা আমার ছেলে, আমি এর জন্য এখানে মানে আমার স্বপ্ন আছে কি একে আমি ভালো স্কুলে পড়াবো। তো এখানে আমি কিছু কাজ করছি, আরও আমার স্বপ্ন আছে যে আমাকে রেগুলার কাজ মিলে এটা থেকে আমার পরিবার চলে যাবেন, এটা আমার স্বপ্ন আছে।
Regarding the socio-economic empowerment of women, we have formed, NEEV has helped in the facilitation of 15 women SHGs in 2 villages of Kurlung and Garud Basa. And all of them are being slowly trained and gradually being incorporated into the business as the volumes grow. One of the best examples of empowerment is Meenu herself, who today who started as a mere helping hand for the production of soaps, but today has graduated to become the Mela sales in charge, who is going to take charge of Melas happening all across India. For Meenu, her life has changed. She started from a hut, and today we are constructing a pakka house in her land. We are taking it for 5 years lease, but we have planned that after 5 years we would be donating that for Meenu and her family to stay. Apart from this, her son receives free education in a school run by NEEV Public School, and also for the women SHGs, we have planned that slowly we are going to outsource certain processes of our company to the individual women SHGs.